Next thing you know, you're up your god. Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today you actually get to see a little bit of mobile mechanic work. We're taking an after hours call. It's only 6 o'clock, but we close about 4:35. Usually I don't come out after that time, but it's someone we know. It's his daughter. She lives up here in the city near me, so I said I would take the job. I am proud of myself because I actually charged the normal amount. Usually I don't, and I give discounts to friends and stuff, but you gotta still run a business. You know, you can't give everybody deals. If you treat everybody the same, then you shouldn't have any problems. But we're going out there today and we're looking at a 2012 Mazda 3. They was changing their spark plugs and they couldn't get spark plug 1 to screw in. And then it ended up breaking off. So we're gonna go pick up another spark plug and we're gonna head out there and I'm gonna figure out why. Are the threads messed up? Is a piece of the spark plug still broke off inside? I hope not. So we gotta figure all that out. So stay tuned for a day as a mobile mechanic. Look at this beautiful Ohio weather we're dealing with. Just quit raining, so you know how humid it is. Fucking 300 degrees. And I just broke my tripod. Look, fucking piece fell off. If this video you're watching is real shaky or fucking looks like shit, it's not my fault. It's this fucking tripod. I need some new camera gear. Always use my phone. Once I get 10,000 subscribers, then I'll go ahead and bump up to like a camera and shit. But I need good tripod and a good microphone. So if any of you guys are little tech guys or have anything like that, make sure you look in my description, man. Find my address and shoot me something good. My beautiful store. See, here's your normal size. There's a lot of times you'll use a 5/8 to 3/16. You see this right here? For metric, we need 14 millimeters. This is the bad boy we need right here. There's the spark plug. We just picked up one. We're leaving AutoZone, off to the place. I forgot, gotta go get my Monster. Be about 5 minutes late to him, but gotta have the Monster. I get a green Monster, brother.
Green Monster?
Yep. Well, traffic's about halfway stopped on the highway. Once again, Ohio drivers, tell you what, it's a mess. We got 3 cruisers over here. Oh, they spun out. See the dirt? Look, there they are right now. Oh my Lord. Didn't I just say Ohio drivers before I even knew it? I feel bad now. I mean, it was true, but... Alright, well actually we gotta go around back here. It's in a garage. Oh my Lord. Oh, goddamn tires, man. Good old Columbus for you. Alright, we're here on scene. Like I said, this is a 2012 Mazda 3. Has the 2.0 liter. They actually did their own spark plugs. They said they had a misfire on cylinder 1. They had their code checked and they couldn't get the spark plug to go in. You can see where the spark plug broke. There's a lot of shit still down in there. We're gonna have to try to get all that out. What it is you can see it's the white part here that broke off. And all this is a long magnet. It's got a little button on it. You reach down and you can push the button in. This little claw comes out, but the claw's magnetic as well. So we're gonna try to reach down in here. And if there's any magnetic pieces, grab it. If not, try to get some of them white pieces out and clear that out a little bit. Oh yeah, now check it out. It's a lot cleaner now. Remember I did a review on this light a couple days ago or last week, something like that? We actually get to use it. Remember I was always talking about the magnet. I said, oh, this magnet's so fucking strong. So let's see. Look at that. See, that's what I was talking about. A lot of times the magnets ain't as strong. Look, gives me perfect light down into there. I'll still leave the discount code and the link for this in the description. You guys go pick it up. Alright, so there's the spark plug. Now remember, that's a lot smaller one than the other ones. That's a way to go and get this 14 millimeter spark plug wrench, and it has that rubber plug in it. Alright? I don't think they had the right tool because it was too tight or too loose and it broke off. That's why having the right tool is necessary. Drop it down in. You're going to tighten it by hand. Well, that had a lot of threads on it. I think that one's probably 17 threads. So that means you're going to have to turn it that many times. Okay? See if it's went in there like it's supposed to. Yeah, looking good so far. I don't want to jinx it, but it just looks like they had the wrong tool for the job. And then maybe try to over tighten it and it broke. I'll put this on there. Do this and go ahead and tighten it up. There it is. So I couldn't get the coil to go out. I mean, it went on, but I wasn't happy with it, how it went on. There we go, that's a lot better. Threads are stripped and shit, boy. Now see, things like this starts to happen. I think you was out easy, and here it is, got some stripped threads and shit. Next thing you know, you're up your goddamn socket. Something simple. See, I came out here bragging. Oh, Founder, this is easy, $100 1 hour. Now I turn around, there's a fucking stripped out screw. I just lost my 10 millimeter. Well, we lost our audio for about 2 minutes, so this is a voiceover. But here we are, we got the bracket, putting it back on. Looks like there's 5 of these little nuts that we got to put on. They're 10 millimeter, I think, pretty sure. So this is gonna finger tighten them. And then we're gonna go back over them with the 10 millimeter socket and ratchet. Go ahead and tighten them down. Now don't over tighten them, they're not very big. As you can see, we're just going ahead and snugging them up. There's one right there in the middle, and then the rest up top here. Make sure you don't catch that little hose. Alright, we got that done. These 2 hooks. 1, 2. Just go 1, 2, slide that on. That's only in theory. There it is. Need to start it up, clear the code. I'm gonna use this one, man. We did a video a long time on this one. Set it up here. It is. Let's see, Alright, we got everything looking good in here. Sounds pretty good. Now see? I talked too soon on this job earlier. I was like, oh, fucking 15 minutes in and out. I ended up being here like 35, 45 minutes because of that. Done lost the wrench, had to crawl my fat ass underneath the car. We learned 2 lessons here. You know, 1, you can make pretty good money and there's plenty of work as a mobile mechanic. And 2 is don't ever talk about the job till you're gone. Once you're gone, in your truck and back home, then you can say, all right, that job went pretty good. Because if you talk about it before it's done, about how easy it is, Dale Earnhardt and Bob Vila, which are the gods of the cars, will send something down here and make sure it doesn't work for you. But there it is, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Just hit one of the buttons right here. We're at 3,100. Let's shoot for 4,000 within the next maybe 4 months, something like that. If you want to donate to the channel, we'll help get this mobile mechanic truck back on the road permanently. Also, will help with these broken ass tripods, all this broken shit I'm using. So that way I can make better videos for you guys. I'll have my Cash App and PayPal right here on the screen. But you don't have to. I still love you either way. And like we always say, Semper Fi. Till next time.